How do I fix QBmapi64 out of memory error in QuickBooks? QBmapi64 out of memory error in QuickBooks typically occurs when you attempt to send emails through QuickBooks Desktop, especially if using Outlook. This issue is usually caused by limited system memory, outdated software, or conflicts between QuickBooks and your email client. The QBmapi64 out of memory error in QuickBooks is caused by low system memory, a corrupt QBmapi64.dl file, outdated QuickBooks versions, conflicts with antivirus or firewall settings, and misconfigured email preferences, which prevent email functionality. To resolve the QBmapi64 out of memory error in QuickBooks, follow these steps: update QuickBooks to the latest version, repair or reinstall the QBmapi64.dl file, free up system memory by closing other programs, reconfigure email settings in QuickBooks, and adjust antivirus or firewall settings to ensure QuickBooks functions are not blocked. Thank you for watching. Contact us